Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off autosave photos in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off autosave photos in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is a settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap to open settings, and over here you'll be required to scroll down a little bit, and over here under the settings you can see there is the data and storage just below the notifications and sounds. Tap on data and storage, and when this opens you can see guys there it says the automatic media download. Now in order to stop autosave photos or in order to turn off the photos autosaving on Telegram, you can either go through these options manually or you can just tap on the toggle icon to disable all of them. So let's, for example, let's open up the when using mobile data, and you can see guys there is the photos, videos, files and stories option available for us. Now in order to turn off autosave photos in Telegram, you can just tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the photos, and everything except the photos will start to autosave in your Telegram. Or you can just tap on that toggle icon, and with that being done everything will be disabled and nothing from your Telegram will be autosaved to your gallery, similar to when connected to Wi-Fi as well as when on roaming. Let's open up the when connected to Wi-Fi. You can see there is the photos option available for us. Now again, if you want to just stop or turn off the auto saving photos from your Telegram, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the photos and it will be turned off, you can see. And similar with the when roaming, and let's tap on the photos and it will be turned off, but everything else like files and videos will be downloaded or saved to your gallery from the Telegram. If you also don't want those to be downloaded, you can simply tap on the toggle icon at the right side. And with that being done guys, this is how to turn off auto saving photos on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.